Okay, let's take your garage or your workplace from cluttered to clean, strong, and smart. This is the 49-inch heavy-duty power tool organizer. Let's open it. A ver qué tal. Okay, time to put it together. A ver qué tal. This is the 49-inch heavy-duty power tool organizer. And trust me, it means business. With 4 sturdy tiers and space for up to 12 cordless drills, this beast can support up to 600 pounds. Perfect for everyday do-it-yourselfers, mechanics, or craftsmen. Assembly is straightforward, designed for garages, basements, and workbenches. Your tools now have a home, organized, accessible, and out of the way. Maximize your space, support your tools, own your garage, get the 49 Power Tool Organizer today. Build tough just like you.